Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I will be showing you how to remove watermark on Canva. So the first thing you have to do is to select the image that you want to remove the watermark from. So depending on the image, and just you'd click on the image and then you can click on the background remover. This, or just if you can click on the image itself, you can select the background remover. However, if you can't find the background remover, don't worry. All you have to do is to click on edit. Once you click on the edit button, you'll be able to select or grab text from that particular image. Let me show you what I mean. So okay, you can edit. Now we have the background remover, background generator. You scroll and choose the grab text functionality. Now I do not have any text in my own, but once you grab your text, you will be able to isolate all the text in your image, and then that particular watermark, you can now click on it as an individual icon and then delete it, and there you have it. You'd have successfully removed your watermark from your project. But if you are doing if you are making a video, you can look for other video apps to remove watermark remover for videos, and then you would do uh, justice to that. Thank you very much, and do have a great day. If you've enjoyed this video, let me know your thoughts in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.